A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica versus game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About to miss a capalat. You don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Woo! Today, guys, we're with teacher. Yeah, man. We're here Vybz Kartel, man, from 2011. Yeah. This is just before him get locked up. Yes. Because he get locked up in September or November. But anyway, this is Nymphomaniac on the Andrew Black production, UIM production. Big up yourself, UIM. This one up on the Nymphomaniac Riddim. Yes, one of my favorite cartel them. I got to admit that. So I'm gonna jump in the one and see what the teacher said, man. Let's go, man.
Andrew Blacks. We love the Nymphomaniac.
Ready?
Make we bust a fuck, y'all. You don't even have to naked.
Alright, hold on. As it start. Make we bust a fuck, girl. You don't even have to naked. Nobody just shift your jaws to your side. Just pull on your shorts and knee height and just shift your baggy. Yeah, man, shift your baggy to his side. Make we bust a fuck, girl. You don't even have to naked. Baby.
Tip on your toe, girl. Me give your pum pum no rating.
Tip on your toe. Just tip. Remember see your shot. Look up. Just tip that moment. Just tip. Let me get. Let me just sink it in for you. Yeah, remember say me give you pum pum no ratings, you know. Tip on your toe, girl.
Me give you pum pum no ratings.
Alright.
Wind up your body, woman. Your body no cranny, woman. You say you want to eat on the chan.
Hey, anything you say.
Oh no, she tell me she freaky if you fuck her, she ride body good.
She tell me, you know. Remember say she bad and brave, you know. Yeah, cause them type of girl me like, you know. The bad and brave one. Remember say she tell me she freaky if you fuck her, she ride body good. Yeah, she confident with her freakiness too. Cause she tell me that she ride body good. She in the mood.
Thing you say. Oh no,
she tell me she fuck her, she ride body good. Yeah.
And she no play, she would broke off me road. Me tell her say when she hear something go so. I'm a long cocky that a drop in the boom boom.
Me tell her say when she hear something go so. And the long cocky that a drop in the pum pum. Yeah, long cocky a drop in the pum pum. Blood clot. That's some more school cartel we have to go to cause. We're bored.
Me tell her say when she hear something go so.
And the long cocky that a drop in the boom boom.
Wind up your body like a go-go show. Cause you no chicken head we eat now the phone coop.
Wind up your body like a go-go show. Yeah, man. Wind up your body like a go-go. Entice me. Please me. Yeah, man, mama. Do it for me, man. Yeah. Cause you're not chicken head we live in a phone coop.
Boom. Wind up your body like a go-go show. Cause you no chicken head we eat now the phone coop. Me star blue movie, the tuggy way. Cause me live in a Jamaica, not in a Hollywood. Come in a foreign.
We star blue movie the tuggy way. Cause we live in a Jamaica, not in a Hollywood. What I mean by that is really hard man, nah bow. So we not do them thing there. So we star blue movie in a the tuggy way. Cause we live in a Jamaica, we not live in a Hollywood.
We love the Nymphomaniac.
Alright.
Make we bust a fuck, girl. You
don't even have to naked.
Dip on your toe, girl. Me give you pum pum no ratings. Wind up your body, woman. Your body no cranny, woman. You say you want to eat on the chan.
Hey, anything you say. Ladies, come on with me.
She tell me she freaky if you fuck her, she ride body good.
Yeah.
And she no play, she would broke off me road. Me tell her say when she hear something go so. I'm a long cocky that a drop in the
what you say?
Wind up your body like a go-go show. Cause you no chicken head we eat now the phone coop.
Star blow movie. Come and live in a not in a Hollywood, gal.
No say your pussy good. No need for you tell me your pussy good.
Baby, me know say you good. Me know say you pum pum good. Me know say good. You don't need for you tell me. Remember themselves self-praise is no recommendation. So me I go tell you. Me know say you pum pum good. Yeah, baby. Me know say your pussy good. No need for you tell me your pussy good, baby.
Know what you have to do. Let me stand up me long cocky in you. Wine for the cocky girl. Let me squeeze up the titty girl.
Baby.
Give me one of them fuck there. Make me feel say you love me.
Yeah, man. Give me the love fuck. Give me the fuck. Make me feel say you love me. Yeah, man. Do it. Like, put your all in it. Put all your emotions in it. Your effort in it. Yeah, man. Baby.
Give me one of them fuck there.
Maybe. Hold on, man. You is an info. So me know say you have white liver and white kidney. Me know say it's an info. Me know say you love fuck. Me know say you love fuck. Me know say more time you will grab all a man and just rub him and miggle. So that means fucking at Jamaica, by the way. Like that means say mama more fuck you. Yeah. But me know say mama you will grab all a man and I say and just rub him and miggle. So yeah, because you are fucking you're an info.
You is an info.
So me know you take the thing so.
Every hour upon the hour like zipping for.
Every hour upon the hour like zipping for. Big up Zip FM.
So me know how you love to
take the thing so. Every hour upon the hour like zipping for.
Not even CD no spin so. Switch back on the quattro cinco. So me bust up the juice up in your thing so.
Like a clutch back gun, the quattro cinco. So me bust up the juice up in your. Wait no man, a teacher we talk about you sir. Bad.
So me bust up the juice up in your thing so. Cocky, I go that way the balls a swing so.
Yeah man, me Johnson a swing go so whom, and this one I go so whom. Yeah man. Cocky I go so whom, balls I go so whom. See that fling. See that fling on the mama belly. What you say?
So me bust up the juice up in your thing so. Cocky, I go that way the balls a swing so. Remember when it's in the intro.
Girl, me know say you.
No need for you tell me your pussy good.
Baby.
Know what you have to do. When me stand up, me long cocky in you.
Why man? Squeeze a bit.
Baby, give me one of them fuck there. Make me feel say you love.
Give me the second verse now. All right.
Make we bust a fuck, girl.
You don't even have to be a kid. Tip on the toe, girl.
Me give you pum pum no free things.
Why man, woman?
Your body no cranny woman. You
Say you want beat on the chat.
Anything you say. No. She tell me she freaky if you fuck her, she ride body good. And she no play, she will broke off me road. Me tell her say when she hear something go so. I'm a long cocky that a drop in the boom boom.
Wind up your body like the
go shoot. Cause you no chicken head we eat now the phone coop.
Star blow more with it. But me living at not in the alley. Boy.
No say your pussy good. No need for you tell me your pussy good.
Baby.
Know what you have to do. When me stand up, me long cocky in you. Wine for the cocky girl. Squeeze up the titty girl. Baby.
Give me one of them fuck there.
Make me feel say you love me.
Buckler.
You is an info. So me know how you love to take the king so. Every hour upon the hour like zipping for girl. Not even CD no spin so. Like a coach back on the quattro cinco. So me bust up the juice up in your thing so. Cocky, I go that way the balls a swing so. Remember when it's in the intro.
Oh.
No say your pussy good. No need for you tell me your pussy good.
Know what you have to do.
Me stand up, me long cocky in you.
Baby.
Wine for the cocky girl. Squeeze up the titty girl. Baby.
Give me one of them fuck there.
Make me feel say you love me.
Buckler. Big up UIM Records. Andrew Black, big up yourself, my G. This was one of the cartel where they forward and run the place. Just like enough of the other one them. Forward and just run the place. Wicked. So yeah, Nymphomaniac, something for the girls them. You don't know say more time we go out of school and just drop some random song. This is one of them. Yeah, one of the classic them. So yeah. Let me know which grade you did in when that one drop. Yeah, this is 2011. Let me know where Uno when I do. Let me know where Uno when I do. Yeah, big up more people them. Yeah. I'll catch you guys in the next one though. Peace.
Yeah, first game of the review, ya feisty dog, feisty, you fuck.